What if the world's smartest robots could build your car, repair a warship, or run your entire factory without ever being retrained? Right now, a global race is unfolding to create the ultimate robotic brain. In just the last few weeks, we've seen billion-dollar bets, stunning breakthroughs, and geopolitical power moves that could redefine the next decade of artificial intelligence. Tonight, we'll reveal how skilled AI is attracting hundreds of millions to create the open AI of robotics. We'll see how Gecko Robotics is sending machines where no human dares to go, slashing costs and saving lives. And we'll take you inside China's most ambitious AI lab, where RoboBrain 2.0 is being unleashed as an open-source weapon in the global race for robotic dominance. If you want to know who will control the future of machines and how it could change your life forever, don't blink. This is the story you can't afford to miss. Imagine a world where robots don't just follow rigid instructions. They think, adapt, and handle almost any task thrown their way. That future may be closer than you think, and it's being shaped right now by a company called Skilled AI. Just days ago, Skilled AI stunned the tech world by securing a $35 million funding boost, $25 million from NVIDIA, $10 million from Samsung, all as part of a Series B round, valuing the company at a jaw-dropping $4.5 billion. Even more impressive, the round is anchored by a $100 million commitment from SoftBank, with heavyweight investors like LG and Hanwha jumping in, all betting big on Skilled's vision. So what's the big deal? Skilled AI isn't just building smarter robots, it's building the brain that could power an entire generation of machines. Their flagship product, Skilled Brain, isn't a single-purpose algorithm. It's a foundational model, a flexible, horizontal AI designed to give robots skills in manipulation, navigation, and locomotion, all with astonishing adaptability. Think of it as the GPT of the robotics world. Where old-school robots needed tedious retraining for every new task, Skilled Brain aims to let robots generalize and solve problems across warehouses, construction sites, and even in your living room. This is more than hype. Skilled's platform trains on enormous multimodal datasets, visual, sensor, even audio, allowing robots to tackle tasks from precision packaging and logistics to complex assembly and manufacturing, with virtually no manual reprogramming. The potential impact? Slashing development costs, accelerating automation, and opening the door for smaller manufacturers and startups to deploy advanced robotics at scale. But the real game changer is Skilled's horizontal approach. One core intelligence, limitless applications. With Tesla, Amazon, Figure, and Google all in a high-stakes race for the future of robotics, Skilled's breakthrough is turning heads across the globe. As investors pour in and major manufacturers quietly test pilots, Skilled AI is poised to become the open AI of robotics, a title that could reshape industries and quite possibly the way we live and work. But Skilled isn't the only player rewriting the rules of robotics. Next, we turn our attention to a company that's using robots not just to build our future, but to protect the critical infrastructure holding our world together. While Skilled AI is building the brains for tomorrow's robots, another powerhouse is putting machines to work in some of the world's most dangerous and vital environments. Today, meet Gecko Robotics, the Pittsburgh-based disruptor that just vaulted into unicorn status with a stunning $125 million Series D funding round, catapulting its valuation to $1.25 billion. But Gecko isn't building sci-fi humanoids or futuristic androids. Instead, it's quietly transforming the nuts and bolts of society, our power plants, oil refineries, and even the U.S. Navy fleet, by turning inspection and maintenance into an AI-driven robotic superpower. The secret weapon? Gecko's Cantilever operating system, a cutting-edge AI platform that enables a fleet of climbing, swimming, and even flying robots to autonomously inspect, analyze, and diagnose massive industrial assets with jaw-dropping precision. Imagine a robot crawling up the side of a refinery stack or navigating the flooded compartments of a battleship, collecting millions of data points in minutes. Gecko's robots slash labor costs by up to 85%. But the real value is time. For the U.S. Navy, inspections that once took months can now be completed in a fraction of the time, freeing up ships for critical missions and slashing maintenance downtime. And the industry is taking notice. A $100 million deal with NAES is putting Gecko's robots front and center in the modernization of America's power grid, while a partnership with defense giant L3Harris is bringing advanced XR, extended reality, maintenance solutions to military aircraft. For industrial operators, that means fewer shutdowns, reduced risk for workers, and a level of data-driven insight that simply wasn't possible before. It's easy to get caught up in the hype around robotics for consumers and entertainment, but Gecko's story is a powerful reminder that some of the biggest breakthroughs are happening out of the spotlight, in the gritty, high-stakes world of infrastructure. And as Gecko expands deeper into defense, energy, and manufacturing, it's clear that the future of safety, efficiency, and resilience is being rewritten, one robot at a time. Now, as the US and its allies race to upgrade their infrastructure, another player on the other side of the world is making headlines with a bold new vision for open-source robotic intelligence. Let's take a closer look at RoboBrain 2.0 from the Beijing Academy of Artificial Intelligence. While American startups are racing to dominate robotics in industry and infrastructure, China is making a bold play to shape the very minds of future machines. Enter RoboBrain 2.0, a groundbreaking open-source AI model just unveiled by the Beijing Academy of Artificial Intelligence, or BAI. Imagine a brain so advanced it can serve as the cognitive core for humanoids, factory robots, and next-generation service machines, fueling the dreams of a fully automated future. With RoboBrain 2.0, that vision is coming into sharper focus. The technical leap is nothing short of staggering. Compared to its predecessor, RoboBrain 2.0 is now 17% faster and boasts an eye-popping 74% boost in accuracy. These aren't just stats on a slide. In real-world terms, this means robots equipped with RoboBrain 2.0 can map their environments, plan complex tasks, and react to the unexpected with a level of intelligence that once seemed science fiction. The new model is already being tested by over 20 of China's top robotics companies, spanning industries from logistics to elder care and even high-tech manufacturing. And the vision doesn't end there. AI's broader Wuji model series includes cloud-based RoboOS 2.0 and the multimodal EMU3, building out a full-stack ecosystem for next-gen robotics. But there's a geopolitical subplot too. Despite being placed on the US Entity List, BAI is forging ahead, attracting top talent and forging new partnerships at a breakneck pace. At RoboBrain 2.0's launch, executives from Baidu, Huawei, and Tencent sat front row, signaling not just industry excitement, but national ambition. For China, RoboBrain 2.0 isn't just a model, it's a statement. An open-source, homegrown AI brain designed to lead the world in robotics, even as global tech barriers rise. So as the world's superpowers compete to build smarter, more capable machines, BAI's open-source gamble could tip the balance, empowering a new wave of innovation and challenging the West's dominance in AI-powered robotics. But with stakes this high and competition this fierce, only one question remains. Whose vision of intelligent machines will shape the next decade? From Skild AI's quest to build the brains of tomorrow's robots, to Gecko Robotics quietly revolutionizing the backbone of our infrastructure, and BAI's audacious push for global leadership in open-source robotics, it's clear we're living through a new era of machine intelligence. The race is on, not just to build better robots, but to decide who will shape the world they transform. As these breakthroughs unfold, one thing's for sure. The future of robotics won't be written in code alone, but in the bold vision and relentless ambition driving these pioneers forward. Stay tuned, because this is only the beginning. See you in the future.